In related news, some optimism tonight as the CDC is now looking into whether or not students can indeed be seated closer together in the classroom during the pandemic. New evidence showing that it may be safe for students to sit 3 feet apart instead of the previously recommended 6 feet apart. NewsNation Ashley Ketz is looking into how this could impact the reopening of schools. Ashley.
Well, Rob, it has been one of the big hurdles for school districts all across the nation during the pandemic. Last month, the CDC included the 6-foot spacing along with other precautions in its guidelines for reopening safely. Now, a new study has some schools weighing whether there should be a change in policy. The CDC is exploring new research that shows schools can reopen safely for in-person learning as long as children maintain 3 feet of distance between them and wear a mask. The study is the first to look at 6 versus 3 feet, and it's fueling more debate.
We'd like to think that at some point we can ease off a little bit on some of the safety protocols that we have in place, but that day has not yet arrived.
While schools like this one in Greenville, South Carolina, say it's too soon, a pediatric infectious disease specialist with Duke Health offers a different take.
Given the data that we have, I firmly believe that 3 feet with mask is a safe option for schools.
He points out the 6-foot guideline for schools came before the mask mandate. This new study looked at schools in Massachusetts where there was 100% mask wearing. Students and staff had similar infection rates, whether they were 6 or 3 feet apart. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky is looking at that data carefully.
As soon as we put out our guidance, among the biggest challenges that we were aware of was the fact that schools were having a hard time with the 6-foot guidance. And that, of course, prompted more studies to say, is 6 feet necessary in the context of mask wearing?
The study has the attention of not only the CDC, but superintendents.
3 feet is very much achievable and would allow us to return to normal capacity for in-person instruction. It would be a game changer for our students.
In this suburban Albany school district in New York, students in grades 7 through 12 are on a hybrid schedule.
It's time. A lot of these kids have had major setbacks.
But Teachers Union, New York State United Teachers, argues now is not the time for a change in protocol.
New York schools have been open. You're in mid-March. We have a couple of months left to school. Why mess with something that we know has been keeping students and staff safe?
Now, Illinois and Indiana are also allowing 3 feet of distance between students. Other states like Oregon are considering doing the same. Rob?